On behalf of the La Union National High School family, I warmly welcome all of you to our Department of Health, Drug Abuse Prevention and Control Week celebration. Much is in store for our learners today. Filmmaking contest, quiz bee, and speech choir competitions, all designed to deepen awareness and strengthen advocacy against drug abuse.
The goal is simple yet powerful. To understand what communities truly need so that we can design health programs that work for everyone. Today, we are not just here to talk, but to listen. Listening helps to understand your experiences, your challenges, and your ideas. Because real health promotion happens when the community is part of the conversation. This initiative, led by the Health Promotion Unit, aims to connect with the people in the communities through open conversations, whether through courtesy call with local government leaders, kumustahan sessions, school visits like this one, or even social media listening online.